Let's say therapy. You need it, my friend, you need it. But here's the thing with OCD, okay? And it's the same thing with like ADHD or ADD or something like that, because, I think I suffer from that a little bit. I know people who have it way worse than I do. I know people that have OCD and all of that stuff. So I totally understand that. Blocking the website forever. The thing is, if you have a phone or a computer, all you have to do is type in the address. And that's it. If you find that your mode or like your method of getting on ChatGPT is you clicking on it, right? Or using your phone to do it, then I would say if you're truly serious about staying off of just ChatGPT, make it as hard as possible for you to actually use it. And that might even require you downgrading into a basic phone, my friend. Yeah, it might. And that's the thing about it is like, well, how serious are we about this? Because, if you want to get rid of anything in your life, whatever the case may be, you are going to have to make it as hard as possible for you to even use ChatGPT. So that's my thing. And, that's kind of what I don't really, maybe I don't get the question so much, but I know if you're trying to deal with OCD and stuff like that, like that's going to take some time. That's going to take some therapy. You need to talk to a doctor about that, my friend. That's going to be somebody like you're going to have to go see somebody. There's nobody that's going to be able to permanently ban you from the website. There's like this, what you're asking for is impossible. It's pretty much impossible because it does take willpower. And for you to say that you don't have the willpower to do it, I think that's bullshit. I honestly do. And I'm going to tell you why. And you're like, oh, you're a hard ass. You just don't know how hard it is. I got it. I understand. But if somebody told you that if you got on ChatGPT one more time, that either somebody that was near and dear to your heart was going to be gone forever, you would never get on it again. You know what I mean? And there has to be a point, and I think you're close to it because if you're posting here on Reddit, then you have to be getting close to a point like that. But I think there comes a point where everybody's going to get to a place where they say, enough is enough is enough. I'm tired of this. I am sick and tired of doing this, and I am making a change now. And that's the point you're almost at because you're posting here on this website. And it's funny, it's funny. You know what would be funny? I mean, not actually funny, but ironic, is if you use ChatGPT to actually figure out the post that you wanted to, put here. Matter of fact, let me see. Is there more to this? I don't think there is. No, there's not. All right. Yeah. So that would be my thing with this, that it's not just like a 1, 2, 3 thing. You got to get help for this. And if you haven't gotten help for this, then you need to get help for this now. And if you don't make enough money to do that, we got to get to work and we need to talk to a therapist and you need to go see a doctor to get you through this, my friend. Okay.